Guys, I just did something super spontaneous. Oh my god, my camera finna die. Okay, we're gonna get y'all charged up. But y'all, we are finna go to Indiana. Is that crazy or what? Like a 11-hour drive, like super spontaneous. I'm gonna let y'all talk to the other people.
It's me, Nautica. And it's Tracy. Let me stop playing.
Y'all, we're at McDonald's and I'm getting some food before we get on the road. Y'all, can y'all believe we are doing something this spontaneous? We are going to Indiana, 11 hours away.
You want a drink?
Sweet tea, please.
Oh, Lord, sweet tea. You want ice?
Yes.
With ice.
And
you want a fry?
Medium.
A medium fry. Do you want some?
Tracy said he gonna be dookie.
Okay.
Y'all.
Let me check it out.
A medium fry, $3.29. Could. Nautica, you got some points. Use your points.
You right. I got some points. Make that shit free. I do.
Y'all, Nautica's going to pick up his car and I'm just going with him. I just can't believe we're doing
just one code per order.
But period, y'all. I'm going to catch back up with y'all. We're having so much fun already. Ain't even got out of NC yet. Period. Your girl drip. Crop hoodie.
I got plenty of points.
Leggings. Not leggings. Jogger. Sweats. Got the Cam baby wipes. An extra sweatshirt. The blankie. Watch. And a whole tote full of stuff up here. So yes, we are ready and prepared. We got the pin. Okay, we are at a pilot, y'all. Okay, so it's gonna be my turn to drive. Look. I don't want to get copywritten, but y'all, it's almost my time to drive. I'm getting ready to pee. And yeah. So we're in Greensboro. So I'm driving from Greensboro. Ooh. Okay, bathroom. I'm driving from Greensboro to VA. Y'all, this is so, I should have bought my, I should have bought my headscarf. Y'all, this is so crazy. I just can't believe I'm doing this, y'all. Ooh, but I'll be back. What's good, vlog? I'm just updating y'all.
1,000 feet, merge onto I-77.
Lord Jesus, I'm scared, I'm scared. I just did my drive from Greensboro to VA. Now Tracy is driving. So, I might catch me some Z's. But we're walking it down. Do you hear me?
Continue on I-77 north for 7 miles.
I ain't not Tracy. You should always have your seatbelt on. I don't wear my seatbelt in the back, but in the front, yeah. But no lie. What you gonna do to me?
Y'all, when I came on this road trip, I told Nautica, I was like, you're gonna have to take care of me because I don't get my money until like Thursday or Friday. I said, Tracy, let me check my Wells Fargo real quick. Oh, that mug was deep. Do you hear me? So we in the gas station to get some snacks. God said, let me just drop this for you real quick. But y'all, we are in West Virginia, pushing up. I don't know if we pushing up on Ohio. I can't remember, but yeah, we getting some snacks and we finna get back on the road. Hey y'all, so we are an hour away from the destination. Turn it on, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. And y'all, look at the snow. I drove from West VA, no, from Greensboro to VA, and then from West VA to Ohio. Smooth ride, smooth drive, everything like that. It's just still intact, baby, a little bit. But y'all, we are an hour away from the destination.
Head south toward US 33 West. Then turn right onto US 33 West.
What's I finna tell y'all? I finna tell. Hold on. Go. Ain't nobody coming. I don't know what's going on with that camera.
It got ice on it.
Oh, it's got ice on it.
Yeah,
Oh.
you a new driver.
Ooh. All right, now church.
US 33 West. On US 33 West.
But y'all, like,
Let's not push
we
this shit too
walked
hard.
this drive down. Like, we walked it down. No, we really ate it up.
What is it? It's 55 here, so you good.
Yeah, I just cannot believe it. I cannot. Ooh. Y'all want to say something? You need help, bruh. But yeah, I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when we get some eats or something like that. And I'm probably about to take a nap because when I woke up, chill out, cause not too much. Not, you know what? I'm not even gonna fuss with these boys. Bye, y'all. We have made it to Indiana safely. Nautica has gotten his car. I'll show y'all his car in a few. But we are at Spiro's. And we right next to a Culver's. And we were thinking about going there, but Nautica don't know they are open. But me and Trey just want this. So we told him it was closed. Nautica said her.
Good.
So we finna eat, y'all. Oh, I look a little rough. Woo. I'm telling you. I'll be back. Oh, yeah. This joke came out in 5 minutes, Bill. Focus. What's poppin', y'all? So we are in Indiana. Y'all saw we just ate and everything. I think if the detour, or if it's not too bad off, I think I'm gonna stop and see Ajay in Maryland. If it's not too bad, like, for us to stop, because we already expected to get back at like around 11 or something like that. But if it's not too bad off, I do want to stop and see Ajay. But yeah, I'm driving right now. I'm driving the first half. I think I'm gonna drive probably for like at least 3 hours, or until we get out of Indiana, or whenever we need gas and we stop, then Tracy will drive. But we just vibing now. I still haven't. They deep. The police deep in here. We're in Ohio, close to Cincinnati. Somebody bought my car down here.
Ah, damn, that shit, that ain't work like I thought it was. But yeah. Number 2. Hold on, let me show him, Dad. Hold on. Oh, good. I like this bit. It was sideways. I mean, she good. I mean, it ain't like my orange bitch was. But yeah, the orange bitch, you know, the orange bitch was different. But this bitch big more. And then you see,
Why your Snapchat look like that?
whipping that motherfucker. And that shit hitting, cuz. Got gang on that side. Yeah, hold on, let me get in there, cause you kind of, you chocolate gang. No homo. Dada, it was like the sun hitting you, but the sun ain't get on Trey. So it was like,
I look good?
yeah, but we gotta get both of y'all in the angle. Like the sun beaming on you.
Ooh, take a picture of me like this.
Oh, you are, huh?
Get a
I got
picture. Stop recording. Get a picture.
I did get a picture.
Oh.
You can record. You can take pictures while recording if you know.
Okay, you lied.
Ooh, I'm dead ass.
I am doing my hair a little bit because even though I'm on the road and ain't nobody gonna see me, like I just want to, you know, you just gotta look presentable regardless. Never know who you might run into, or not even run into, but because I ain't expecting to run into nobody, but you just, you know, part of being a baddie is maintaining the image. And if that means pulling out a brush on the side of the road or in between stops, that's what she'll do. Okay? Shaking back. Period. I won't really never all, but you feel me. We have shaken back. Which this is really like since I have been back relaxed, baby. I don't play about this right here. The Even 24-hour edge tamer. Not sponsored. But baby, that's, I don't play. So let me show y'all while we're stopped. Let me show y'all what I packed in my little one-day trip bag. I packed my battery pack for my camera, hand sanitizer, my little Vaseline stick for my lips, which I put it all over, like in a big circle right around here in this area, because that typically happens to like really dry out on my face. Got some tissues. I got some baby wipes on the dash. I got some Lysol wipes in the bag. Bruh, I've been wanting to dig in my ear so bad this whole trip and did not realize I had these. Oh my God. I did not. Oh God. I did not realize I had these. Woo. OMG. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. This just happens to be in there, but some toothpaste, I don't know. It just happens to be in there. Let's see. Oh, what's in my first video? A mask, Jergens, my Victoria's Secret hand sanitizer, deodorant for quick freshen ups, sunglasses, my Gingem that is gone, my Gingem for Bath and Body Works, and more hand sanitizer on the side. And y'all, this is my non-waste bag. So that was all that was in my bag. And I got an extra sweatshirt in the bag. Y'all, I thought I licked the side that I had already stuck in my ear. Boy, I was about to be so daggone disgusted. Ooh, God, that would have been gross. Ooh. And yeah, y'all, we finna get right back on the road. Mind you, we are still in Ohio. We are like near Cincinnati. But I'm gonna hit y'all. God. Woo! Don't never feel better than that. Love y'all. Tune back in. Drive the newbie.